Hello, welcome to HSNWFL Homesteading Northwest Florida, and it is May 1st, 2022, and we are in gardening zone 8A. It is, 81 degrees today, and it's supposed to rain. We have winds out of the north. Oh, look at my lizard on my gardenia. I just bought some iron chelate fertilizer for my gardenia. It tipped over during a storm. I'm gonna put some new soil. I got some fertilizer in here, and I'm gonna put some soil over the top. It's kind of not doing well. I think it's got a lack of iron chelate. I think I'm gonna try in there. And we have the Camille Pissarro rose here. Got some roses coming up. The irises are almost at their end. I forget what this blue flower is. I'd have to look it up on my list and let you know. But we got some roses going on. We got a lot going on. Actually, here's my star jasmine this time of year with a million little jasmine flowers. And we also have honey. It really smells great. Here's the black bamboo. This is what a honeysuckle looks like here. These are almost at the end. These smell great. That's a honeysuckle. We also have wild blackberries ripening. Okay, here's one here. But that's a little red one. It's not ready yet. But there's a lot of areas with wild blackberries and honeysuckle that I just left unkempt. Black bamboo is coming in. Here's the banana plants. Ooh, they do have spots of red. Okay, I did hear something about a tissue culture, and if these have spots of red, they're a tissue culture and they're not a real version of that muzu banana. All right, we have the wildflowers, cosmos blooming here. Some dianthus, which is related to the carnation. And here is our ebb tide rose. It's almost all budding out. I will take a video in 2 days. This is a purple rose. In the beginning, it comes out kind of pinky, more pink, more reddish pink. Now it's about 2 days old, and it is truly purple. So, purple rose, ebb tide. I've been watering here. It appears like it's going to rain, and then it never rains. They said scattered showers. This is the life of the party rose before it blooms. Here's some blooms at the top. Been fertilizing these like crazy and making sure. Here's a lot of blooms. Maybe I should have cut some of these out. So many. Quite a few there. Alright, and here we have a bed of seeds that I planted. Looks like zinnias and cosmos, and I have a what is that? Dahlia in the center, and then Mexican Petunia, these two on the sides. Let's see if I can get that, the two on the sides. That is a cherry tree. And we moved this hosta over there, doing okay. We've got a lot of bee balm. Lots of bee balm and some lilies in here. Peonies are not old enough. And that's a little type of lily. It looks like a grass. Might have pulled it out last year. Hard to tell. Okay, we had some green onions that I planted, and I'm saving the seeds for next fall. Hydrangea looks like it's almost ready to do something. Here we go. Got a great big hosta. And we've been doing our compost pile. Got the lawnmower, the baggers in the back. We have melons and Mexican sunflower in the center there. Supposed to be Tithonia Diversifolia. Oh, and we got some seedlings here because I'm getting into more food. These are spiderwort. These purple, little purple. Getting a little too warm for them. This is the roselle seedlings, which is related to a hibiscus, but it has flowers that form like a cherry. So it's like, it does flower like a hibiscus too. So these are seed. I only put 3 seeds and all of them germinated, fresh seeds. Serrano pepper. We'll see how those seedlings do. And in the back here, banana trees over here, and yep, palm tree there. Got some seedling trees here. What is this? I have eggplant growing. That's a sweet potato trying to grow. We'll see what happens. These are edible canna lilies, and these are a couple cherry trees. I have one in the front, and these 2 that I just repotted. Cherry trees that I grew from a pit, from pits. So, okay, and then here we have bee balm, and here's the garden here. I usually walk right down the center here. And we have the 2 Life of the Party roses here. Life of the Party. A lot of blooms on there. I will take a video when everything's in full bloom. And we have Swiss chard. Some other, I think that's Shasta daisy. And here's some radishes and other lettuces. Bee balm. Here's my patch of tomatoes, and I'm gonna dig all along the soaker hose. This is a new soaker hose in the back here for everything. We got dahlias. We got our red bud tree, and these are little black-eyed peas. Banana.